A video I've seen now for a few is how to add a drag brake to the Radiomaster MT12 radio. So I'm going to quickly go over that, and we are using this pot. So as you see, as I add it, I am adding brake to channel 2. It would go in reverse too if you're not careful, but yeah. And there's my throttle, and you can see there's actually a slight delay too. There's full throttle, there's brake and reverse, let go, gives me drag brake. The way I do this is create a model. You have to go into mixes, copy your throttle channel. Now go into your throttle channel, and our source to control it is going to be right here, S2. You can use S1 if you want. I'm just using S2 for this video. There you go. And we want to add, so that's set. Delay, I add like a 1 second delay, so when you let go of the, for instance, when you go from throttle to brake and you're just going normally, this doesn't kick in. If by adding this, it takes a 0.1 second delay before you have the drag brake. But the problem now is it's constant. No matter what you do, it's always there. So we have to add a logical switch. Only when the throttle is around the center point do we want it to do this. So A is around the same as X. So say logical switch 1 is active now. I squeeze the throttle, it's inactive. I hit the brake, it's inactive. So now we have to assign that to that mix. So we go back over to mixes screen, hold it down, edit, go down to your switch, assign it to logical switch 1. There you go. So that means this curve is only active when you are off the throttle, not touching it at all. You got a drag brake. Now the only problem that we have left is this is affecting the entire range. We don't want it to go towards throttle. So we got to make a curve for that mix. Again, go back under your model, go over to mixes, no, excuse me, curves this time. I'm not worried about making a curve with this. You only need 2. And we're leaving that one as it is. This one we're dropping all the way down. So now the throw of this pot over here will be from here to here, only on your brake side. So now we go back into mixes and assign this curve to that mix again. Oh. Again, I didn't name it, so there you go. So now you can see it's when it's active, when it's not. You see it highlights itself when it's active. I'm off the throttle. I'm on the throttle. It's not active. I'm off the throttle. Now I'm on the brake. So show what this actually does in the channel monitor. Using this right here, I can adjust the amount of extra brake I have. Now you are going to want to be careful adding the delay and stuff, because with that delay it could be just enough for your ESC to see brake and then reverse that fast. So I don't know how your ESC is going to work. You can also add the slow down feature instead of the delay. So when it goes to set the drag brake, there's not a delay, it just does it slowly. So like here, I'm just going to set it to 2 seconds so you can see. On the fuel, gas, off. That's why I put slow down. We don't want slow down, we want slow up. Slow down is when you let off. We want slow up. So now when we hit it, we should see it go up slowly. Yes, there we go. So now you actually see your regular channels are fine, but when you let off the throttle, you get your drag brake. And again, you can adjust that. You can adjust the amount of time that it takes to slow up so it's softer, the way it engages. So as you see, you can play around with it. So I hope this helps others. Yes, this is a very rudimentary, just impromptu video coming from my bedroom, but hope this helps. Peace.